I love working with the group because they're very supported. I love the duets. I like my solo piece. I enjoyed that and I can't wait to show it to everyone in the audience. My solo dance was a bit like, it's like an open space. It's like giving my heart soul to people to look and brush it away and put it to a heart, do a nice hug. It's like feeling mixed emotion, but isn't in a nice way, but not in a sad way. When we've met in the first time, it's a little bit overwhelming sometimes. This time, I am very confident to show my dance moves to everyone to see. I can't wait to show this on tour and show what we can bring.